सैनिक स्कूल गोपालगंज के सैन्य छात्रों द्वारा तैयार किए गए नवीन वैज्ञानिक, सामाजिक और चित्रकला विषय पे एक प्रदर्शनी का आयोजन किया गया है, जिसमें तार्किकता, वैज्ञानिकता के समावेश के साथ नए मॉडलों का प्रस्तुतिकरण आपके सामने किया गया है। अतिथि द्वारा इन पांडालों का निरीक्षण करने का कार्यक्रम इस समय चल रहा है।
factories are separated from the city, and so many plants are planted
प्रथम पांडाल
beside the city.
जिसमें
School and hospital are
सांस्कृतिक
there, so
कार्यक्रम
people
से
are benefited from this. And we, in present era, people are saying that we are developing. When the city become like that, then we surely say that city is developed.
Good, very good.
This is a project based on hydraulic. This is a hydraulic city in which everything is based on hydraulic. There is some application based on hydraulic, like hydraulic lift, hydraulic crane, hydraulic bridge, that is also called drop bridge. This is made for when big ships used to come, then we used to lift the bridge, and water traffic as well as road transportation also become easy in this way. Okay? This all based on Pascal's law, in which we have used some syringes and medium water, in which its work as follows.
Yeah, right. Okay.
So in this we are trying to minimize the use of energy in the city, and that energy we can give supply to the villages where there is a scarcity of the energy.
Good. All right.
Any questions?
Congratulations. Well done. Well done. Well done.
Our daily life, and these are the use of resources in agriculture purpose, industry, homes, as a use of resources for energy, wind energy, solar energy, thermal power, petroleum, etc. On this side, it is about how we are wasting resources, degradation of resources, and what government had done till now and what they are doing. It is a request to our side, our people side, that save resources for our future.
Good. Well done.
These all their needs. So this is part of their sort of duties and all.
Okay.
It is all in house only they make here. Very good.
Yes, sir. This is our project on malnutrition.
Okay.
We have tried to display the various aspects of malnutrition to these posters and this project. Malnutrition, as you can see, is one of the major problems our country is facing today. And it is mainly a condition in which a person becomes weak and is sick because of imbalanced and insufficient food. So the main cause of malnutrition are poverty, which makes poor people not to have a balanced food. The uneven distribution of resources, due to which some people are too rich and some are too poor. Then the frequent pregnancies in women, they make them weak and susceptible to many diseases. And the food habits, they have to be very, very proper. We must not provide too much emphasis on junk foods and the foods which give only calories but don't give nutrition.
Do you have junk food here?
So like pizza, burger.
Hai? Do you have here?
Pizza, burger.
Somewhere where you can eat junk food?
No, pizza burger is not there, sir.
Okay.
But we provide them junk food in form of Chinese once a week. Chow means.
You like it? You like it?
Yes, I like.
They like it. Sir.
But I want to try to minimize it. Okay.
So that day you eat a little lesser?
Yes.
Chow mein जिस दिन होता है, do you eat a little lesser or is the same extent?
I try to eat to my heart's content.
Much content. Fair. How are you taking care of this?
Sir, just one day I can control.
Okay.
And so, in order to eliminate malnutrition, yeah, the first one is breastfeeding, and we have a very revolutionizing data, that is breastfeeding in first 2 years and exclusive breastfeeding in first 6 months. It can save at least 1.3 million children's lives. So breastfeeding is one of the most important things for it. The second one is regular medical checkup for children. That what is their weight, what is their height, and how are they growing up. The third one is healthy diet, that everybody must take. Our food must be balanced diet. And the fourth one is positive parenting. Parents should encourage their children to eat green vegetables for a rich source of vitamins and minerals, and they should must not eat junk foods.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Today I am here with my friend Alok
Who is your friend?
Anu,
Hello. Okay.
to tell about the history of English. In this, we have the things and these communities and sense from where the English has got its modern scene. It has got revolutionized from the many communities and essence, including Celtic in 200 BC and Latin in 200 AD. Later, it has got its words and essence from various language and communities. Now, coming to the things which we have got from which community. From Celtic remnants, we have got continuous tense. In the present day, we are using ing that is from the Celtic community. Do periphrases. To emphasize anything, we use do, and that is also from Celtic remnants. Loss of case and gender. In case of neuter gender, we use the neuter gender. There is a provision in English, and it is from the Celtic remnants also, remnants only. And place names. Name of places are from Celtic remnants. Now, North, which is also known as North Germany. It consists of 1% of English in present scenario, and the first book the first seminal book of English was Wycliffe Bible in English, which came in 1384. Now, there are stages of English in which it had developed. First of all, Old English, which is around 500 to 1100 AD. Middle English 1100 to 1500. Early English 1500 to 1800. Late Modern English 1800 to the present. Thank you. Well done. Yes. Thank you, sir.
This is a project on renewable and non-renewable resources. Here we can see the concern part, which discusses about that what is happening in the present, the case of the river Ganga, the Taj Mahal, and here this is the introductory part of about resources. And here are some conventional energy. The rate we are using in this present scenario, in future it may be that they may vanish from the earth, and so we should decline the rate of consumption in the present scenario. And some of the conventional resources are coal, petroleum, natural gas, and here is the non-conventional resources. Some of its examples are solar energy, wind energy, biogas, geothermal energy, hydel energy, nuclear energy, tidal energy, etc.
Good.
Sir,
Good.
sir, in present scenario, sir, we should to decline the rate of pollution in today's era. We should use this non-conventional resources.
Have you seen it? Have you seen this?
Yes, sir.
Where?
Sir, in my village areas.
You have it there?
Yes, sir.
It is as efficient
Sir,
as
a
the other
nursery
guy?
is there people used to.
Do you cook food on this at
No,
home?
sir. It's
No?
not such developed, but in nurseries they have made such things, and from there they generally supply light for
In the
lights,
country, there are a
road
lot of
lights.
projects where you're cooking now in villages over this biogas. Okay? All right.
So here we are on the projects of the earlier monuments which were there, which were made by the earlier Mughal emperor. So here we are having the project of disaster management. So how to take safety while the earthquake or any type of landslide is there.
Part of their
And sir,
activities
and sir, here the project is on our freedom struggles. On our freedom
also
struggles.
sent to CBSE sir, for yes, good projects we sent. They in fact asked like for worst five also. That kind of.
Sir, the project on the earlier leaders which were there in the independence of India, like Chittaranjan Das, he has worked in the literacy area. Rajpat Rai, when he said Simon Commission should go back, then he was killed by the. And sir, here we are having Udham Singh. In 1919, the Jallianwala Bagh massacre that occurred in Amritsar, 10,000 people were killed. And sir, this Udham Singh has killed that general after going in.
He was earlier band master. Sir. Now he's become senior, so he has handed over
Okay.
these things.
Thank you.
All right. Thank you, sir.
So you're still teaching those boys?
Yes, sir, I'm still teaching. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir, we have generally kept as an India corner. And this is like the parents who are coming and
They would like to see
yes,
this.
give them some kind of glimpse and the knowledge about the forces. If they go, something they know and they can teach there in their villages and wherever they
Right.
Yes, sir.
I am Ashish Verma, and along with my friends, I welcome you to NDA Gallery. Sir. And today I am here with
You have which class?
11th class.
11.
Yes.
Jana India,
Yes, sir.
you have to go.
Yes, sir.
Good. So, tell me 5 things which you have already started working on.
So I've started working on English. I've started making maths of in NDA, and I've started conversing in English with my friend. Means generally with
Good.
one
good.
of my friends.
And what else?
And more, sir.
More
I'm,
so.
I'm trying to attain positive attitude and
remain happy.
yes, sir.
Yeah? And don't worry. And all these things you'll get. Alright?
We
Alright?
have presentation for this.
Presentation.
Yes, sir.
Presentation we can see later on.
We can see it later. I think a lot of people are waiting. Okay? I would have loved to spend more time. And I know that you're good. You're all very good. I can see it, read it on your faces. Your body language tells me you're all very confident. Alright? All the best.
Thank you, sir.
Thanks.
Good morning.
Myself Vidyasagar. I welcome you in this photo gallery. These are the memories of our school, the miscellaneous activities which has been held in our school, new foundation stone of our new school, which is JNDC Fire. This we have won Central Zone Championship in our school. And this our former principal sir.
Alright. Former principal.
What was the name? Rajesh, Dr. Rajesh.
Captain.
Now he is Commodore. Sir.
Now he's Commodore. What is the difference between the two?
Commodore is senior post than
Alright.
These are the histories.
Okay.
So the first page of this lesson.
Okay.
This photograph is of sir in front of the headmaster's house.
Okay.
So this is Lalu Yadav, Ravi
Acha,
Devi,
okay.
Darfan Randi, some of these cities.
different physical.
All the picnics of
Yes, sir.
this, they all belong to this place? Okay.
And this is our experience.
Okay. Good. Nice.
This is of Sipaya, our news and this.
Good, nice photograph.
Yeah. Alright. Okay. Where are you?
I'm not sure.
Not here. You are here.
I'm not
Not in the photo. That's okay. All right. You
These
will
are
also
some
appear.
of the activities. So,
I'm
Jai
James
Hind.
Prakash Mathur, and you are seeing the literary activities which happen in our school, sir. You can see the principals or vice principals awarding the cadets who have won any competition, for example, extempore or like that.
Good. Lot of activities, and you are doing well in all these activities, isn't it?
Yes.
Inter school,
Yes, sir.
lot of activities. You are getting first position and second position.
Sir, we are trying to get that. So in some of the events, we are also getting.
No, I know you are doing well.
Yes, sir.
Continue. Right? Thank you.
Good morning, sir.
Yeah.
My name is Rakesh Kumar. I am going to show some of the adventurous sports activities which our school cadets are participating. In Panchmari, we have present 12 classes.
Adventure course. Yeah.
Yes, adventure course.
Rock climbing.
Yes, sir.
And
Rock climbing. There are so many activities.
it is a
which
Bharatan Scouts camp, which is the, in fact, it is the India chapter, sir. And they conduct extensive, in fact, 7 days trekking, camping in the wilds, obstacles, then they take you.
and our school has conducted.
rock climbing and all, sir.
And our school has conducted.
Mountaineering, sir.
Every year, sir.
Leh Ladakh.
Yes, sir.
So they,
Two cadets.
every year 2 cadets from each all states. They climb some heights.
Which class?
Generally class 10.
10. You are from?
11, sir.
You didn't go?
He has
Cadets only this
Two cadets are my class, sir.
11.
One is Diploma and one is Rohit Kumar.
Yeah. Good. Good. Thank you.
All right.
Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
I cadet Sathak Prakash along with Ranjit Kumar is present here to brief you about the simple chemistry project. So this is fish-centered cubic structure of NaCl lattice. This is the unit cell of the NaCl lattice. NaCl, which is a common salt which we eat. This is a triangular planar structure. This is, for an example, BF3, boron trifluoride. This is a linear structure. For an example, CO2, CO2, central atom C. This is tetrahedral. This is a central atom and 4 atoms are bonded with it with single bond, like CH4.
Okay. You want to demonstrate something?
Yes, sir. This is soap, laboratory made soap. We have used castor oil and sodium hydroxide. And this is
a jelly which we have just made now. We have mixed two liquids, sodium silicate and ammonium dihydrogen phosphate, and we have shaked it just for a few minutes and it became jelly. Yes, sir.
What will you use it for?
This is simply for showing.
Demonstrating.
Yes, sir.
And so these are the structures of various covalent compound. This is CH4, and this one is C2H2, this one is C2H4, this one is C2H6, and so this one is NH3, and this one is H2O.
All right.
So this is ferric chloride and this is sodium thiocyanate. When we mix both these, it becomes red. It is simply like, looks like a magic.
हाथ क्यों कांप रहे हैं?
No sir.
हाथ
No sir,
क्यों?
actually sir, I am not too much sharp in holding all this.
Not sharp.
Yes sir, not too much acquainted with this.
You don't have to be nervous at all.
No sir, I am not too much acquainted
नहीं
with
तो
this.
हाथ फिर बुढ़ापा तो आया नहीं, पर ऐसे क्यों होना शुरू हो गया? Why? Okay, don't. Okay, good.
So this one.
But you're doing well. You're
Sir,
doing
this is sir
well.
volcano.
A volcano.
Yes sir, in this sir we have mixed
You're going to
ammonium
activate
chloride.
it.
Yes sir. Sir, today's morning only sir, one volcano eruption took place in Mexico.
Colima.
Yes sir.
Colima.
3,000 feet diaceous flow in the air.
It comes like
So it is a miniature model of volcano sir. In volcano lava comes out, in here carbon dioxide is coming out. Yes, sir. So this is the structure of graphite sir, which we use in pencil. These lines represent the van der Waals force, and this is a hexagonal layer.
This is the structure of salt, NaCl, common salt.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
One more project was there, but now sir, we are running short of time,
Yeah.
so we'll move towards this thing. Otherwise, chemistry lab is again full of experiments, and they were very info to show you all these kind of experiments.
I suppose parents will have more time.
Parents are from the morning, 5 o'clock they started.
This boy is who was very strict. He is very good in mathematics. Absolutely, he is almost compared with our teachers. He's given a junior kind of name to as a title to from this side. Right, take a right.
माननीय मुख्य अतिथि का आगमन रंगमंच की ओर आते हुए आज के विशिष्ट अतिथि